Yo, this gonna be a $200 day. I'm sorry if y'all hear my fan. It's a little hot in my room. I'm sorry. I got the blackout curtains up, so that's why it's a little dark. And yeah, I haven't picked up the camera in a while. Haven't did a trading video in a while, and that's because even though I haven't been on a losing streak, it feels like it mentally, and I just felt like I needed to take a break off of YouTube just to figure out what feels more comfortable to me. Not in a sense of me recording my videos and me trading and shit like that, but just me being focused in the market. I didn't want to lose objective of what I really was doing. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm a trader, but when I picked up the camera, it made me feel like I needed to do certain things for y'all, like catch setups, when in reality I need to catch setups for myself before I catch setups for y'all. Like, it's just like, you know, things that you deal with when you I don't know. Anyway though, let me just go ahead and show y'all what I'm in right now. So I'm in this trade and I'm only going for my 1-to-1. I could, and I feel like, bro, I feel like this trade is about to run. I ain't gonna lie. Even though we got a 5-minute demand right here, or 5-minute and 15-minute, let's see, 30-minute. 30-minute is okay, so only on the lower time frame, so 5 and 15-minute. Throughout this weekend, this shit has carried us up here, so we're fucking on ass. And throughout this weekend, so Sunday to Monday morning, we done came up here throughout London, bro, and this London session Monday, yeah. So throughout all of here, we done came all the way up. Now I feel like, because this was a daily high, right? So this was a daily high, and for some reason, hold on, let me focus real quick. It's been a little minute. I haven't had the camera in my hand in a minute and try to explain this while I'm trading. So let me just explain it real quick, just so y'all can understand. So we took out this daily high, and with this daily high, on top of that, it was other little highs that was wicked on it before we took it out today. We took it out and we started dropping down. We started breaking structure. Now we're starting to go up. I'm not sure. We probably going. I don't know. It's a counter. It's honestly a counter trend. We've been going down. We went down the whole last week. I'm expecting us to continue going down. For sure, definitely. And we just took a high. And in order for us to go down, if y'all understand, in order for us to go down, we gotta go up in order for us to go down. We just took this high from the dailies, and then we started coming down, breaking structure on a 5-minute in my session that I trade. So it just gave me confluence that this market is going to continue going down. Now we are playing. If we are playing, I can't help that we're playing. That's not if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Now one thing that I do want to mention is that I only got $100 to lose on this account. Now I'm risking $200, which is bad, I guess, because I'm only getting half of the stop loss. You might ask me, why you doing that? Why you doing that? I honestly didn't mean to. It's just the prop firms that we use, you know, how like prop firms have like strict rules and shit like that. So with those strict rules, like I couldn't do anything within them. You get what I'm saying? So like I was just like, damn, okay, cool. I was already in a trade and we was going into drawdown. And when we was going into drawdown, I was like, I'm not about to take no trade. We going into drawdown. You get what I'm saying? And or I'm not going to take my trade out if I can only lose $100 before I lose the account. And we going into drawdown. It just don't make no sense to me to do that. So I was just like, shit, I just waited out. Now I could have took it out when we hit take profit, but we were already too deep into take profit. So I believe we was gonna hit our 1-to-1 right then and there. We're coming back down now. This is what Nas tend to do when we off trend but getting back on trend. If y'all know, if y'all traders, y'all understand that the market sometimes, say like we're in a downtrend, the market will go up for a little minute and then come all the way down back to where it started and then go back up to where it came all the way back down, right? Making a double top, if y'all don't understand. And then it'll come all the way down, especially on a weekday, it'll come all the way back down. On a 5-minute, if you zoom in now, so you will come in, you'll see that it came up, made a double top, came all the way back down, breaking structure, to go all the way back up, to come all the way down. Like, you will start seeing things and you will understand that the market move however it want to move. and you will start seeing how the market moves. So you will start seeing certain moves that the market like to do. And from there, because you can understand that the market like to do certain things, you understand that, okay, the market definitely finna go my way today. That the market definitely finna, like, you know, if you start just trading, like the more and more you start trading, and then you have a strategy. So the point of a strategy, yes, is to be able to understand when to get in and to get out. But when you first get a strategy, the point of a strategy and trading is for you to understand the market. So the strategy is there for you to hold on to. If anything goes wrong, you got that strategy. Now, if you break the rules of the strategy, that's your fault. But if you don't break the rules in the strategy, you can figure out the things that the market likes to do within your strategy. You get what I'm saying? That's the whole reason you have a strategy. And over time, you perfect the strategy. And you're like, okay, the market likes to do this. The market likes to do this. The market usually do this. The market usually do this. Okay, cool. We're doing this today. Okay, cool. I don't want to be a part of that. I don't want to be a part of this. You get what I'm saying? You start learning certain things, and you will start understanding. Like, it's crazy. Like, the more and more you trade and shit like that. But we only been recording for 3 minutes, and we are back at break even. It looks like we're a little bit over break even. I can show y'all boys. And I said today we're gonna be a $200 day. So I don't know when I'm gonna drop this, but our take profit right here, stop loss right here, and our stop loss really like right here. Like, if you can see, our stop loss like really like right here. Like, but it is what it is. It's not that I don't care. It's just that I know this trade about to go my way. Hopefully, you know, like, I'm not gonna just sit here and be cocky, but you know, like when you practice and shit like that, and you start understanding like just the way the market moves, like, and even if it don't move that way, okay, cool, you lost this one today, you could just invest a little bit in and understand that you back on that bitch, right back on that bitch. But my camera about to die for some reason, and I don't know how long this trade gonna take. Hopefully we do end up going down. They go get that London low, because we already took out the London high. We had no reason to still go higher. But anyway, once we do all that shit, then I'm gonna pick up the camera again. Shit, I love y'all boys. This is what I feel like I am here to do, just teach. I feel like, even though I said I'm not gonna teach y'all, I feel like if I'm making money from it this way, y'all can do it too. So I definitely believe in everyone. I just feel like you gotta figure it out some way. I'll talk to y'all boys in a minute. Yo, alright, so I'm back. This is the part 2 of this, the video that was right before this Zay, so just go ahead and put this in here. There's really no editing, I ain't gonna lie. So you remember when I told y'all boys in the beginning, I risked a little bit more than I was supposed to, and I might lose the account because I only have $100 to play with, but I risked $200 on this trade and blah 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 blah. I know this setup gonna play out, but I might get stopped out, and it might not be my fault. Yeah, look. So exactly what I said. My camera going down, so I'm gonna just go ahead and speak real soon, real subtle. This is a $200 day, regardless of whatever account I'm on. I was on the $10,000 account. Now I'm on the 5K account. Now on that $10,000 account, I came all the way up, bro. My $100 stop loss was right here, bro. I got stopped out. We didn't break this high. We came all the way down, bro. It's so crazy because my stop loss was on top of this high. We didn't break this high. I knew we was gonna not break this high. We came all the way down. Now we're going down. Now we touched our 1-to-1. I'm wanting us to hit these London lows because it don't make sense. So the only thing that makes sense to me, and I'm gonna hold it to however long because this is a freshly new account. I'm only risking $30 to make $200 on a 200K or 500K account. I mean a 5K account, so it don't matter. Like if and I'm already at break even. I forgot to say that. I could take my profit right now because that was my profit for the day margin. My profit target was what we just hit right now. But I believe we're gonna continue going down because we can't go up without going down. We need to take liquidity. We just took liquidity from the upside. We didn't break this, which let us know that this was a break of liquidity, or not a break of liquidity, but a reach. So look. We took out the daily highs, like I said. That's what our target was to begin. The start of the day, our target was the highs of the day. So that's what we was doing going up to this London session. And then within this London session, the beginning of New York session, we came up here and took out the highs of the day. That's a liquidity grab. I don't know if y'all don't know that, but that's a liquidity grab. We took out the date. The date, look, on a daily time frame, this is a liquidity grab. Is it? Wait. Let me see. Yeah. So we took out the highs of this last candle. Hold up. Let's go ahead, go down a little bit. Look, on the 4 hour, we took out the highs of this last candle. We needed to take liquidity. If we was going up, we would have already been going up. We need to take liquidity from the top side, and we rejected off the 200 EMA, if y'all see that on a 4 hour, to continue going down. Even if we needed to go up, we need to go down first and take out these London lows before we start going up continuously, because once we start going up, we're not coming back down. You get what I'm saying? Because we are already in a downtrend. So once we're going up, we're not going to come back down, because once we start going up, then that signifies our trend changing. So in order for our trend to change, we need to sweep out highs, go low, take out the lows in order to go back high. I know it sounds confusing, but like I said, today is going to be my $200 day. Regardless on whatever account I'm playing on. I did get stopped out on my $10,000 trade, but I kind of figured it was in the midst of the moment. I was just hurrying up, and I risked 2% every single trade. So when I was trading, I was just like 2%, boom, got in the trade, and I was like, fuck, it's too late. So I knew I didn't know, but I knew, because it only makes sense to do what I'm saying for it to do. Even if it's still, because I'm still holding, I could get out right now, because like I said, it would have been my profit target. I might as well just, honestly, I just don't want to leave so much profit on the table, and I know we need to go down in order to continue going up. And my shit at break even anyway, so if shit, it was a losing day on a trade, so whatever this is just extra profits. Just how I think about it. This should be a running trade. I can go ahead and take that off, and this is just my new trade. Went ahead and took that last trade off. I just wanted to show y'all that hit take profit. And now we're $100 up. And I just want to show y'all, I'm gonna hold this trade. I just wanted to show y'all that original trade, and show y'all that everything that I was saying played out, everything that I was saying worked. If y'all don't understand, let me go ahead and go back through this video one more time. If we can look, now we're going down. We're gonna continue going down. We're about to hit these London lows, trust. But we're gonna go past these London lows, because we really probably gonna make honestly, bro, we were probably gonna make another low. Look, we're more than likely gonna continue to go down and make that next low. But today, I feel like we're gonna hit this, and we got a lot of momentum right now, and it's only 10 o'clock. And I'm not even, bro, honestly, I don't even trade at 10 o'clock, which is so crazy. I don't trade at 10 o'clock. But I just went ahead and got in. So if we do hit break even, we hit break even. If we don't, we hit take profit. We hit take profit. Shit. Either way it gotta go either way. So we're gonna see. Hopefully we just continue going down. Let me show y'all why I even got into this trade to begin with. Like I said, I traded at 9 to 10. We came down, we broke this structure barely. We barely broke it, but because I knew what we was doing, we just took the daily time frame. We just took out liquidity on a 4 hour. I'm like, okay, cool. We're going down. This might be an hourly move. This might be a 4 hourly move. Obviously, it's gonna take a minute for us to get moving. But once we start getting moving, we're gonna get moving. And because it's a higher time frame, so once we start moving, bro, when I tell you, because it's a higher time frame, once we start moving, we're gonna be moving. So even though we're going back up right now, and honestly, I might get stopped out, but we're not gonna break this high, bro. I'm telling you, I got break evens right here. I'm not tripping. Honestly, I just wanted to show y'all this trade playing out. This is just extra for the day. Honestly, I could just go ahead and get out. I'm up 2%, but I want to be up 4%. Not saying that I'm greedy, but I just know where the market is going, so I might as well go. But like I was saying, we're starting to go back down now. 9 o'clock, I trade. We went up, came up. We rejected off this 50% of this gap. This is when I got in. I figured off this 50%, I can catch a little 1-to-1. We did break this gap. We did break it, but because we broke it, I felt like, okay, cool, we broke it, but we closed 50% under. So that's, even though we broke it, we closed 50% under. So that's going to give me at least my 1-to-1. Now we came all the way up here, filled in this gap, rejected it, but didn't break this higher time frame after breaking this gap. So I was like, okay, cool. Market playing around. It is a counter trend. I know it's a counter trend, but we're getting back on trend from the counter trend to get back on trend. So it's like, once I realized what we was doing, I realized gaps aren't going to hold. It's all about structure. And once I seen that we didn't break this structure, this higher high, once I seen that we didn't break this higher high, I was like, all right, cool. Like, I already know we're gonna go back down. We're not respecting gaps. We did respect this one. This is good enough. Once I seen that we came back down here in the 50% of this and then took off like as if it was an inverted. Here, let me go ahead and do this for you. As if it was like an inverted fair value gap. Y'all can see that. Let me show you. As we came back down here inside this inverted, I was like, oh shit, we about to, you know what I'm saying? But smart people know that this was just a fake out for real, because if we was gonna go up, we would have took out this high. You get what I'm saying? Like, it makes sense. You just, my camera is about to die, sorry. This was the last clip. This is the last clip, Zay. Like I said, you just got to do what the market tells you to do. Just do what the market tells you to do. I promise you, if you just be in the market day in, day out, you will be able to listen to the market by watching it, and you will just be able to get your trade.